What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday. You guys caught the rest of the races in Atlanta with the Miamians, the Cubans, the Atlantas, and the Texans, and all the above, man. Everybody was there going up. Meanwhile, man, I lost a couple races, man. I did. I lost a couple races, man. And I can say I lost to some of the best, man. So with that being said, I won't be losing anymore. I'm on my way right now. I got the truck fired up. We just got back from Atlanta. We're on our way to San Antonio right now. I'm about to go pick up a 2022 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the 2022 CVO Road Glide. I done already got cashier's check for it. I'm glad I brought it up because I was literally going to forget that. Literally going to forget that, man. So I'm glad I mentioned that with you guys. Thank you. But we got a 2022 CVO Road Glide, or at least we're going to go look at one right now, man. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. The world's fastest CVO starts now. You guys demotivated me this week. I can't wait. It's time to take this thing on full star, man. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a whole Big Daddy giveaway, man, you guys know I'm giving away my 2023 Ford F450 dually truck paired together with first place with my 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces. Yes, man, bike and a truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. But not only just first place, man, we also got a 1987 SS Monte Carlo that I'm also giving away with the truck and the bike. So just to be clear, first place you get a truck, a bike, and a 1987 Monte Carlo SS from yours truly, just for supporting your boy Everything's Regular at everythingsregular.com. Meanwhile, second place, you guys see I got my 2020 C8 Corvette back there. That'll be paired together with our 2020 Road Glide. And then I also have my wide body Daytona Hellcat back there, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either of those bad boys, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular sticker or hat. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, I am about to freaking pick up a new 2022 CVO now. I wish it was the envious green one. I really do. But it's actually a little bit better, or a little bit more my style, because when I first seen this bike, I was like, this is something I would want. So we finally got a crack at another one of these. We actually had it before. You guys probably remember it. Let's go to San Antonio and get on up out of here, because I actually took off Reese's Pieces this morning, and it's time to get this show on the road. I got that thing cooling down right now. I got my guy Mr. Twin in the cut. I got my ramps. I got my strap. I think we should be good, and we should be on our way back with something special, man. Something real special. So we gonna see what's good, man. Y'all stay tuned. It's time to go up. Yes, sir. The Big Daddy himself, man. We just gassed up at Buc-ee's. Dieseled up, diesel down. Got a whole lot of this and a whole lot of that, man. Filled up with that big D thing, man. If y'all want some action at the Big Daddy, man, make sure y'all head over to Everything Regular. We got the back of the back empty right now, but I ain't gonna hold you. It's time to roll. It's been some hours, man. We have finally touched down in San Antonio. My guy, what's up with you, man?
What's up, fellas?
Another day in paradise, man.
How y'all been doing?
What's up with you, man?
Yeah, good. Chilling.
Nice to meet you, man.
How y'all?
Man, another day. He said, damn. Oh my God, man. So this a bike right here or what, man?
Chains, baby.
He said, look at the chains. So this the bike or what, man?
That's the bike, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you don't even know who I am, huh?
No, I don't. But I think I might see you on YouTube.
Oh yeah, he said, I think I might see you on YouTube. There you go. There you go, man. So look, check me out. I just got back from Atlanta. I was out there racing my bike. I got a few bikes myself.
Yeah.
I was out there racing. They said they had the fastest CVO. They was whipping everybody. So now I'm about to buy this one and make it the fastest CVO in the world.
What are you going to put in it?
Probably like a 150 something. Seriously.
They only make it like a 135 nowadays.
Nah, from Harley. At Harley, they make a 135. I'm not going to Harley at all.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, and I always wondered about that shit. It's like when you're in Atlanta or in those fucking places, like those motherfuckers just pop up like this.
Yeah.
I don't know how they do that shit.
Well, because you got a guy with a 117 that's from Harley, but you have a guy with on the street with
Put
a
a 122 in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
A guy with
And I'm sure that's gonna smoke this one up. You got an M8 on this too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is.
So what's on this one right
This
here?
is gonna be mine until the 2023 comes out.
Oh, the 24 CVO.
No, 2023.
What you mean?
The 2023.
It's 24.
It's 20. They're not coming out with a 23 CVO.
I'm getting it in August.
The
24.
CVO, right?
Yeah, the CVO.
It's a 24.
That's what I'm buying.
Yeah, it's a 24.
It's a 24?
Yeah. Trust me, I'm getting one too.
dealership today.
Yeah, I'm getting one too.
We're on the same page.
No, it's definitely it's good, man. So bet. So what's new? What's on the bike, man? You know I got my YouTube channel. I got to give them the whole rundown, man.
The only thing that I've ever done to this,
Right.
I ain't done shit because the fucking bike's so beautiful. I've never touched it. They got the gold rotors I
Right.
put from Lindo,
Big Daddy's on there.
and then Legend suspension on the rear.
We got some suspension back there. See, I ain't never had a bike with suspension. All the bikes I had.
I bought the $1,800 tour pack.
Oh, the Big Daddy with the CVO on the back. It got the words and everything.
That's my lounge seat.
No, you be chilling back there, huh?
And then the neighbor hater.
The neighbor hater.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Hey, man, it's all good. It's clean, man. I like it, man. Well, you already know what I came for.
Yep.
We already know what time it is, man.
What's your YouTube channel?
Everything's regular. Yes. Yeah.
I have heard.
Yeah, everything's regular on YouTube, man. We just picked up. We just.
Can I get a hat?
Yeah, he said, "Can I get a hat?" You should have told me. I would have brought a whole busload for you, man.
I don't get a hat. Nothing.
He said, "I don't get nothing." Hey, man, we'll get you right. Don't worry about it, man. We'll get you right. Man, can I take?
Hat? My company.
Can I hear it crank up or what?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Let's see what we got, guys. I swear to you, I've been looking. Well, the neighbor haters. I've been looking for a CVO for a little minute. Everything regular. Come on, man.
Your shit for like 2 years.
He was like, "Man, are you gonna come? Cause I don't think you're gonna come, bro." I'm like, "Man, I'm gonna be there. Trust me." This thing is nice though. I like this, man. Got the CVO seat on there.
I thought it was black at first.
Yeah, I love the color. This thing is sick.
You thought it was black too or no?
What do you do?
One of my brand new hats. There you go.
Texas South, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. It's a movie. It's definitely a movie, man.
There's the spare key.
Oh, yeah?
The real key.
Here, we can put this in there too right now.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you got the spare key. See, you got the Rolls Royce looking keys. See,
Oh,
man,
that's what they sell it with.
that's that CVO thing, man. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got some joints up in there. Easy car. Easy car. I like it. I like it, man. Yeah, I dig it, man. So how long you had it for?
1 year.
1 year?
So check it out, baby. Let's tell them the story. So I bought this bike brand fucking new.
Right.
In
3
what?
months it was stolen.
Yeah, and it was stolen in 3 months.
They stole it from
They
you?
stole this fucking bike from me.
They followed it up
So where they steal it from?
the parking lot.
North Star Mall.
Yeah?
Yeah, we went to North Star Mall, and we went to dinner. We went to a Cheesecake Factory, and literally they stole my
in
bike.
less than an hour. They showed them
For-
on the
and within
camera.
45
as soon
minutes,
as
they
we
stole
went
my
in the
bike.
doors,
Wow.
they got out of their car and came straight to the bike.
Wow, so how did you get it back? And in one piece?
I had to drive up to.
No, we didn't get the
Where'd
bike
that go,
back.
baby? Where'd that?
Oh, so this is a replacement?
Yeah.
Wow.
So insurance paid me on it.
Right.
You had to
You know.
fly to Ohio to grab another brand new one.
Wow. So they stole your first one like this. So you had to go all the way to Ohio to get this one.
Right.
Wow, and you've never seen that bike again yet, huh? The one that they took.
No, it's a cartel in Mexico
Probably.
right now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was gone.
Damn. Well, that's crazy, man. That is nuts. Hey, well, you see how everything works out, man? So
Yes.
you about to get the 2024 now, the
Yes,
Big Daddy.
yes.
Oh, you need to tell him
So-
the code.
No, well,
So he can
I'll
recode
give you
it.
the code if you want it, but
He's
when
gonna recode it.
right, but that's how they stole it
Right.
from because
Oh, they had the code to just punch it in.
it's the
Yeah,
last
yeah,
5
that's
digits
how
of
they
the
did
VIN.
it.
Oh.
When Harley sells a bike, it's either the last 5 digits of the VIN or it's a.
It's like a dealer code.
1111.
Yeah, something
And-
simple.
And they do that shit.
And they
here in
figured it
Mexico.
out. Wow.
Yeah. And the Banditos know that too.
Oh my God, man.
Hey, what about that one time?
Oh, with the Hells Angels.
Yeah.
I know exactly what you was talking about, bro. That was like one of the realest incidents I ever been. I'm like, oh
Like,
snap.
goddamn, they try to kick you off the
But
fucking
I was
road.
pulling up trying to race. You know me. I'm like, bro, I'm a speed demon, bro. I want to race whatever Harley I see on the road. So I'm pulling up ready to race.
This is
What?
too much for me, man. Like,
He said it's too much for me. Hey, man, live in the flesh. I told you, man. I didn't. That's why I didn't want to say nothing before I got here. I was like, you know, I just want to pull
I don't
up.
even
If he a
care,
motorcycle guy, he might know. If not, it's all good. He gonna
No,
know.
I was a motorcycle guy. Like, way,
It's all
way-
good,
I
man.
was
Well,
like, goddamn.
hey, man. So look, you giving us your 2022 CVO, man.
Yes, sir.
It's a beautiful bike.
Yeah.
I'm about to make this thing look even more sick.
However
I'm
you do it.
taking it literally straight to the shop,
Yep.
and I'm about to throw the fastest motor I can touch on there.
That'd be cool.
I can't wait.
That'd be cool.
And then when I get done with it, you can come out to Houston, come ride it, and let me know what you think about it.
You would
Can
love
I-
that.
can I go?
Yes.
He said, "Can I go?"
Go.
Hey man, well y'all see we out here in San Antonio getting this stuff situated, man. We just got the CVO. We about to get the paperwork and everything situated, get this thing loaded up and get it on the truck. So I will catch you guys in a hot sec, and we gonna see what's up with this, man. Y'all stay tuned. I can't wait.
It makes her feel special.
Yeah, because
yes.
I was like, oh no.
No, it's all good, bro. You don't even know how much you're helping me out right now, because I literally been looking ever since yesterday. I really wanted a CVO so bad.
I listed it yesterday.
Yeah? Oh, wow, dude. That's nuts. Hey, you see how stuff work out, man?
Yeah.
Well, that's dope, man. I'm going to flip this truck.
Wait a minute. Say something. Wait,
Literally.
I just found one. What do you mean?
How do you do that? Like, you just pay attention to everything?
Bro, because I'm on all the auction sites every day.
Yeah.
And so today I was like, you know what? Let me check
You
out
do all
Cycle
the,
Trader.
what's that
Copart.
Copart.
Yeah. I do all the bikes. I buy all my bikes from there. But I'm like, today, let me try Cycle Trader. I don't really want to build nothing. I just want to like get the bike complete and then do my thing to it. So that's where I came across yours, and I was like, okay, bet. It was freaking priced right, and it was close. So I'm like, hey, it's a freaking done data.
Yeah.
It was a done data. When I called you, I was like, look, bro.
Like I said, you know
Yeah.
what's gonna be.
And this is, you don't even know how much this made me happy.
You showed me one or two. I don't ever watch.
I don't, yeah. She never even seen the channel.
Hey, you're gonna see. You guys are both gonna be on there now. It's all good. So say hey. Hey man, well y'all see what's going on, man. I want to ride this thing down a block or something at least one time, man. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got, man.
We'll see his bike Willie now, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here, explain. Hold it for me real quick. Hey. You're gonna see this bike in action. I can guarantee you that.
I want to see this bike in action.
Literally, it's
I'm
something now.
I'm gonna show up with that 2024.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna be twinning. Okay, bet. All right, bet, man. I'm excited, man. Let's get this thing loaded up, dude. It's burning up and all the above.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I'm ready to make it happen.
Want to give her last hugs and kisses to the bike?
Yeah, any last.
My wife will, yeah.
Oh, freaking dying. All right, bet.
You want to trade trucks?
We can trade trucks. What you want to do, man? You know, this one is up right now. I'm giving this one away right now.
Yeah. This, fastest bike, huh?
Oh yeah.
You gonna make it the fastest?
I'm telling you,
I'm gonna be watching.
my mechanic was just on the phone right now.
Yeah.
Literally. You gonna see?
What's it gonna be? Like a 138 or something?
Nah, like a 150 something.
150.
Yeah. All right, guys, just like that, man, we have made it back. Big 2022 CVO. Oh my God, I'm excited now. I was excited now, boss. I was excited now, man. I am excited. So, the different part about this one might be getting this one off. This one might be lower right there than the other bike that I got. So, let's hope for the best. But we're going to pull this thing out and get it offloaded real quick. Just like that, man. Got the CVO out that thing. Y'all see what's going on. Got it sitting outside the front of the house, man. This thing is nice. Thing is nice. What y'all think about it? I'm actually liking it. I'm actually liking it, man. Let's see. Let's see what she looking like. Ooh. CVO on the gas tank. Come on, man. Let's see them Cadillac lights in the back. Cadillac daddies in the back, man, with the freaking tour pack on there. Y'all see what's going on. I'm gonna have to get some LED lights on the blinkers. But other than that, she looking good. Looking good. I already got the bars on there. I'm gonna have to bend them back a little bit. And That's it, man. She looking straight though, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Got that 117 on there, be gnawed. 117 on there, be gnawed with the freaking tour pack that open up. Shout out to Texas South. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, we went to go pick up our CDL yesterday. I know you guys haven't seen that video yet. Go check it out. Meanwhile, we are in the Lambo on our way to the airport. I guess this is the perfect time to drive with you guys because I'm definitely in a rush. Definitely in a rush, so let's hope for the best. Oh my God, that thing sound like the drum line back there. Sound like a drum line back there. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we're gonna make this flight. I'm ready to go see Mama, go to Vegas. Let's get this show on the road, man. I ain't gonna hold you, this thing is freaking dope. I hear it sounding like a drum line back there. I know y'all hear it sounding like a drum line back there. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing sounds amazing. Literally amazing. I'm gonna get y'all a nice pull when we get on this freeway up here. And one second. All these cars headed to the freeway. I'm in a far right lane. I'm definitely about to get in front of all of them. All of them, man. Come on.